In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and minimize gift recommendations in Amazon wishlists, a helpful step for many looking to maintain a bit more privacy. While Amazon doesn't offer a straightforward switch to turn off birthday or special occasion recommendations entirely, there are strategic moves you can take to enhance your privacy and control over what is visible and suggested to others. First, let's tackle your privacy settings for your wish list. The simplest yet most effective step is to make your wish list private. This makes sure that fewer people can see its contents and consequently reduces the visibility of recommendations tied to it. How do you do this? On your wish list page, locate and click on Manage List, which will then allow you to change the privacy setting to Private. This doesn't entirely eliminate recommendations based on your wish list, but it's a solid start in reducing the dissemination of sensitive gift-related suggestions. Next, there's the matter of your address. To ensure that your address isn't automatically shared when someone makes a purchase from your list, go to the Manage List settings and check the box that says, "Don't show my address when people purchase gifts from this list." Now, while this step doesn't directly halt recommendation algorithms, it does bolster the privacy of gift givers and minimizes data that could be leaked inadvertently. It's a small step toward privacy, but an important one nonetheless. Let's now dive into your public profile and how you can manage what is broadcasted regarding your activities. Amazon allows you to limit how much of your overall activity, including your wish lists, is visible to the public. You can achieve this by removing any personal information and opting out of making wish lists public entirely, alongside managing other profile settings. These steps effectively help with data minimization, ensuring that only you and selected individuals know what's truly on your lists. Lastly, while Amazon doesn't specifically offer a way to turn off birthday or gift recommendations, you can manage other types of notifications, like deals and recommendations. Within your Amazon account settings, venture into your communication preferences and make any necessary adjustments there. While this might not directly impact wish list-driven suggestions, it can help reduce the overall volume of suggested gifts notifications tied to your list items or purchasing activity. By taking these steps, you ensure that your Amazon shopping experience remains personal and under your control. Thank you for joining today as we navigated through these essential privacy-enhancing techniques. Remember, regular reviews of your account settings can keep your information safeguarded and your wish list intentions just that, personal and wishful. Stay privacy conscious, and we'll see you in the next video.